good morning. Just recall what we have discussed in our last section. We have discussed about fixed fields. Okay, fixed field of an isomorphism. Let sigma be an isomorphism. Uh, Sigma be an isomorphism from E to A, any field sum F or F1. Okay, then an element A belongs to E is left fixed by sigma if sigma of A equal to A. So today we are going to discuss one problem. Let E equal to Q of root 2 root 3. Consider the map sigma from E to E defined by sigma of A plus B root 2 plus C root 3 plus D root 6 equal to A plus B root 2 minus C root 3 minus D root 6. Okay. Q is of the form, E is of the form Q of root 2 root 3. The elements are, we have already discussed the basis of this field is 1 root 2 root 3 and root 6. So elements are of this form, A plus linear combination of elements in the basis. So A plus B root 2 plus C root 3 plus D root 6. And this is defined like this, A plus B root 2 minus C root 3 minus D root 6 map. Okay, and Q, this is an automorphism of E, and you have to find field fixed by sigma. You have to find subfield of E. You have to find a subfield of E such that sigma of alpha equal to alpha for every alpha belongs to F. You have to find this F. Okay. So for any alpha belongs to E, sigma of alpha equal to alpha implies alpha is left fixed by sigma. Okay. So now consider this one. Q of root 2 root 3. This is same as Q of root 2 of root 3. Okay. Alpha equal to root 3 implies alpha square minus 3 equal to 0. So therefore irreducible of root 3 over Q is of x square minus 3. Irreducible of root 3 over Q is same as irreducible of minus root 3 over Q, which implies root 3 and minus root 3 are conjugates. Okay. Now by theorem this 48.3 there exists a isomorphism psi root 3 minus root 3 from Q of root 2 of minus root 3 to root 3 to Q of root 2 of minus root 3, and this is defined like this. Okay, so psi root 3 of minus root 3 is equal to, by definition this is equal to A plus B root 3 root 2 minus C root 3 minus D root 6. So therefore our sigma is actually psi root 3 minus root 3. Now the elements fixed by psi root 3 minus root 3 are A belongs to Q of root 2 such that Q of root 2 root 3 such that psi root 3 minus root 3 of A equal to A. For any A belongs to Q of root 2, psi root 3 minus root 3 of A equal to A, which implies Q of root 2 is the field fixed by sigma. For any A belongs to Q of root 2, the elements are of the element psi root 3 minus root 3 of A equal to A. Therefore, the field fixed by sigma is Q of root 2. Okay. So actually we are, you can also write like this, sigma of alpha equal to alpha implies alpha is A plus B root 2 plus C root 3 plus D root 6 is equal to A plus B root 2 minus C root 3 minus D root 6. From this we get 2C root 3 plus 2D root 6 equal to 0, or C root 3 plus D root 6 equal to 0. This is possible only if C equal to 0 and D equal to 0. This implies other remaining elements are of the form A plus B root 2. Okay, but we can't directly write this is same as Q of root 2. So that's why we are choosing this method. Okay, Consider q of root 2 root 3, and this is same as q of root 2 of root 3, and using conjugation isomorphism theorem, this map is actually our sigma. Okay, so fixed field of this sigma is for any a belongs to q of root 2 psi root 3 minus root 3 of a equal to a. Okay. Now, actually, this is as this the elements you can write it as this is q of root 2 of root 3. The elements are actually of the form a plus b alpha, a plus b root 2 root 3, where a comma b belongs to q of root 2. So as q of elements of q of root 2 is of the form some c plus d root 2 plus some k plus l root 2 into root 3. So this means c plus d root 2 plus k root 3 plus l root 6. Okay. So if you take this part, and then if you take this part, this part is actually fixed by psi root 3 minus root 3, and the elements are from q of root 2. Okay. Now moving to next theorem. Let sigma I belongs to I be the collection of all automorphism of a field E. Then E sigma I of all A belongs to E lifted by every sigma I form a subfield of E. What is E sigma I? E sigma I is actually this is equal to set of all A belongs to E such that sigma I of A equal to A. Okay, so this form a subfield of E. To prove this form a subfield, we have to prove addition is closed, multiplication is closed, inverse exists, etc. Okay, so E sigma I set of all A belongs to E such that sigma I equal to A for every I. Let A comma B belongs to E sigma I. Then sigma I of A equal to A and sigma I of B equal to B. Now sigma I of A plus B equal to, by as sigma i's are isomorphism, sigma I of A plus sigma I of B. Sigma I is a homomorphism. Okay. Sigma I of A is A and sigma I of B is B. Therefore, this is equal to A plus B. Therefore, sigma I of A plus B is same as A plus or minus B. Therefore, clearly A plus B belongs to E sigma I. Similarly, A minus B belongs to E sigma I. And sigma I of AB equal to sigma I of A into sigma I of B, since sigma is a homomorphism. And sigma I of A is A and which is equal to AB. Therefore, sigma I of AB equal to AB, which implies AB belongs to E sigma I. Since sigma i's are all automorphism, sigma I of 0 equal to 0, sigma I of 1 equal to 1, therefore 0 and 1 belongs to this set. Sigma I of 1 equal to sigma I of A into 1 by A. Sigma I of A into sigma I of 1 by A, because A, if you take A not equal to 0. Therefore, sigma I of 1 by A is equal to 1 by sigma I of A, and the sigma I of A is A itself. Therefore, sigma I of 1 by A equal to 1 by A. This implies 1 by A also belongs to E sigma I. If A not equal to 0, 1 by A also belongs to E sigma. This implies E sigma I is a subfield. Okay. Now, the field E sigma I mentioned in this theorem is called fixed field of sigma I. Okay. This field E sigma is called fixed field of sigma I. Okay. For a single automorphism sigma I, E sigma as a fixed field of sigma. Consider the automorphism psi root 2 minus root 2 of q of root 2 defined like this. Find fixed field of psi root 2 minus root 2. Psi root 2 minus root 2 Okay. Psi root 2 minus root 2. Then fixed field of psi root 2 minus root 2 is equal to set of all a plus b root 2 belongs to q of root 2 such that psi root 2 minus root of a plus b root 2 equal to a plus b root 2. So set of all a plus b root 2 belongs to q of root 2 such that a minus b root 2 equal to a plus b root 2, because by definition this is equal to a minus b. So a plus b root 2 is such that b equal to minus b, such that b equal to 0. That means set of all a such that a belongs to q. Psi root 2. Therefore, fixed field of psi root 2 minus root 2 is q. Okay, that's all for this section. This theorem we will discuss in our next